black salt recipe that many witches use in spellwork. Here it is. It helps you protect from negativity, clearing bad habits, clearing unwanted energies, breaking bad luck. If you're in one of those sort of periods where everything feels like it's going wrong, this is perfect. You want sea salt, not like the fine salt, really chunky sea salt. You want black pepper. You want ash, like ash from a cigarette, any ash, coal ash, any ash. Activated charcoal. If you can't get activated charcoal, not everyone can, black food dye is going to do. 2 cups of rock salt, 3 tablespoons of black pepper, 6 tablespoons of activated charcoal or the equivalent of black food dye, 1 tablespoon of ash. Create yourself a chant, say that chant. Again, like a spell, you want to put all your power and intention into that. At the end of that, I would say, so mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it be. Mix together, make sure it gets all together and leave for 48 hours in a dry space. Every couple of hours or every 3 or 4 hours, not when you're asleep, obviously, like sleep. Like in the day, just stir it or shake it about. Do not store it in a plastic jar, store it in a jam jar, a mason jar. Now you've got your black, so leave it until all the colour is black. And when it's gone totally black, it's ready and you just leave it in your cupboard. Do not leave it in the sunlight. Put it in your cupboard and you can use it in your spellwork. Have a beautiful day.